Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial. In this video, you will learn about how to remove, deactivate, or uninstall your product key on Windows 10. You can see, my Windows is activated, and now I will remove, or deactivate, my Windows product key. So, let's start. At first, go to the command prompt, and run as administrator. Now, type below text slmgr.vbs -upk and press enter. You can copy paste from this video description box. Uninstall product key successfully. Now click on OK. Your Windows product key is removed or uninstalled. Let's check this. Go to your computer properties, and see Windows is not activated. That's mean, product key removed successfully. Next video, I will share how to activate any Windows or Office programs within 1 minute. Keep watching. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.